All right, this screencast is going to walk you through how to get the moon phase percent illuminated illustration if for some reason you're looking up the data on time and date when it's not the day that you need the data. This is a lunar phase simulator that we can use. If you Google lunar phase simulator, you'll need to find the one that says lunar phase simulator. Lunar phase is NAAP from the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Okay. And it should load automatically, and here's what it looks like. Okay. I'm going to decrease its size just a little bit so I can squeeze most of it into the frame for you. All right. All right, so I've adjusted it a little bit. The default is for the person to be standing on Earth, kind of like at midday, and the lunar phase simulator always starts at new moon. Notice that that says the phase, new moon. At new moon, the moon is, or the side facing the Earth is not illuminated at all. So the face of the moon, or the side of the moon facing us is completely dark. Notice down here it says it's 0% illuminated, meaning lit up. Okay. And new moon just so happens to be the time of the lunar cycle where the moon and the sun are both off in the same direction of space. Anyhow, if you need to find out what a particular percentage looks like, then this is what you'll use. So for instance, we were doing the other day, the lunar phase for August 21st, and it said that the percent illuminated was 25.8. Well, I need to know what that looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just start the animation, and you'll notice that as time goes by, we get a thin waxing crescent, and our percent illuminated is changing. Okay, I might speed it up a little bit, but I don't think I need to. Okay. Oh, look at me. All right. I got it exactly on what I needed. If I don't get it exactly on what I need, I can go back a day, or excuse me, an hour, forward an hour. I can go back a day, forward a day, that kind of thing. Okay. It just so happens that I hit it right perfectly where I needed. If you can't get it perfect, just get it as close as you can, because frankly, 25.8% illuminated is going to pretty much look the same as like 25.6% illuminated, etc. This is what you will color on your little what does it look like part of your sun and moon data. Okay, make sure that you draw this little line. This is the terminator, meaning it's the boundary between the dark side and the light side. And make sure that you shade with a pencil, you shade the dark side. And for this, because it's a waxing crescent, the left-hand side is the side that you need to make sure you shade, okay? If you come back and you have to do this and it's been, I don't know, like a week, and maybe you had a day where you have to look up what the moon looks like when it's 75% illuminated. Well, then this is what you would draw. And this skinnier side, remember, is the dark side, and that's what you would shade. Okay. So if you have got to figure out what the moon is going to look like and you can't use the time and date information because it's not for the current day, then you can come to this lunar phase simulator and play the lunar phase simulator and get the information that way.